Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix game won't install on EA app. Encountering installation issues with the EA app can be frustrating, trust me. Whether you are trying to install a new game or the EA app itself, here's a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot and resolve common problems. First, restart your computer. A simple restart can resolve many temporary glitches. All right, and then run the EA app as administrator. Just right click on the EA app shortcut and select run as administrator. This ensures that the app has the necessary permissions to install games. Also check for background processes. Press Ctrl Shift ESC to open the task manager. So in the task manager, look for any EA related processes. Example, EA background service. If found, right click and select end task. This can resolve issues where the installer thinks another installation is in progress. Then you need to clear the EA app cache. Open the EA app, then click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Go to help, and from help, click on app recovery. And once you click on app recovery, just go ahead and select from app recovery, go ahead and select clear cache, which is here. Okay, and that's just it. To clear the cache. Clearing the cache can fix issues caused by corrupted temporary files. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, which is another step. Restart your router or any internet provider machine or device that you have. Restart it if necessary. A stable connection is crucial for downloading and installing games. Now, sometimes security software can interfere with installation, so temporarily disable any antivirus and firewall, then attempt the installation again. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Likewise, you can manually install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. I don't think you need to go to this extent, but missing or corrupted Visual C++ with redistributables sounds like a tongue twister, can cause installation failures. So just visit the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable page and download and install the versions applicable to your system. After installation, restart your computer and try installing the game again. Okay, you can also change the installation directory. Sometimes the default installation directory can cause issues. Open the EA app, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, go to settings, and once you go to settings, go to download. And once you go to download, click on edit right next to install location and choose a different folder or drive. Now, changing the installation path can resolve permission related issues. So also go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. Now remember, you can use the EA app recovery tool. Just go ahead and open the EA app, click on the three horizontal lines, then select help, select app recovery, and click on repair. Now this tool can fix issues with the EA app itself. Also, you can reinstall the EA app. If all else fails, just reinstall the app and resolve persistent issues. So I hope it helped you search, like I rightly said.